Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant DirectX error. Start by opening the search bar on your computer. In the search bar, type in the word Services and open the Services app from the list. Once the Services window is open, you will see a long list of services that are currently available on your system. Scroll down the list and look for a service named VGC. When you find VGC, right-click on it and choose the Properties option from the menu. A new window will appear. In this window, look for the Startup Type option. It is probably set to Manual right now. Click on the drop-down and change it from Manual to Automatic. After that, click on Apply to save the changes, and then click OK to close the window. You can now close the Services app. The next step is to make sure you have the latest version of DirectX installed. Open your web browser and search for DirectX. Look for the official Microsoft website in the search results. When the page opens, select your preferred language and then click on the Download button. Once the installer is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instructions. It will install or repair DirectX on your computer. When the installation is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, you can try opening Valorant again. This fix works in most cases because it helps restart and configure the VGC service while also repairing your DirectX installation. Thanks for watching.